This is take 7 on how to cut your kids' bangs at home.
Okay, you need a blanket. You need a blanket here or here. You need a comb, a towel, a pair of scissors that you don't cut here or you will be straight. I like to cut this by this here. And so let's get started.
All right, so there we go. Okay, so we're gonna grab your bangs.
You talk very slow, Mama.
I do? Okay.
That take forever. And after this, I'm going to do a makeup video.
Oh, makeup videos. Make sure you tune in for that. Okay, we're grabbing the bangs. Let's try to keep the kiddo's hair face straight. Okay, combing down the bangs. And then I'm going to cut into it with little points, like Sola said. Sola's going to look over to you, and I'm going to show you little points. Point, 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 and then try to go the opposite way. Point, 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 point. It's a little better already, huh?
Yeah.